Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial component for anyone tackling electrical wiring, especially in audio and video setups. The Aexit 65 PCS Blue Insulated Crimp terminals, specifically the MPD2-156 model. These aren't just any connectors. They're designed to provide reliable and secure connections for a wide range of projects. Right out of the package, you get a generous count of 65 pieces, which is fantastic for ensuring you have enough on hand for multiple tasks or larger installations without constantly reordering. The vibrant blue color isn't just for aesthetics. It's a standard indicator for the compatible wire gauge, making identification quick and easy. These terminals are perfectly suited for cables ranging from 1.5 to 2.5 square millimeters or 16 to 14 AWG, which covers a significant portion of common electrical and signal wiring found in homes and workshops. The construction of these crimp terminals speaks volumes about their intended performance. They feature a robust copper core, which is essential for excellent electrical conductivity, ensuring minimal signal loss and efficient power transfer. This copper is then encased in a durable PVC insulation. The PVC serves a dual purpose. It provides crucial protection against short circuits and accidental contact, significantly enhancing safety, and it also offers a degree of strain relief once properly crimped. This combination of materials means you're getting a connector that's built to last and perform consistently. With a maximum current rating of 15 amps, these male insulated crimp terminals are more than capable of handling the demands of most audio, video, and general low-voltage electrical applications. Whether you're connecting speakers, setting up a home theater system, or working on automotive electronics, these terminals offer the peace of mind that your connections will be stable and secure. The insulated design is particularly beneficial as it streamlines the installation process by reducing the need for additional heat shrink tubing or electrical tape, saving both time and effort. For anyone looking to achieve professional-grade wiring results, the Aexit MPD2-156 terminals are a highly practical choice. Their consistent quality, ease of use with standard crimping tools, and the clear specifications make them an indispensable part of any DIY enthusiast's or professional's toolkit. They truly simplify the often complex task of electrical connections, ensuring a clean, safe, and reliable finish every time. This pack offers excellent value and performance for anyone serious about their wiring projects.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.